Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, I have introduced you with the topic of sentences in my last video. Today we will go further with the topic of types of sentences. But before that, let's go through a quick recap about sentences.
So students, what is the meaning of sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. It expresses a complete thought. I repeat, sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. It expresses a complete thought. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Every complete sentence has two content. Number 1, subject. Number 2, predicate. For example, the sky is blue. Children are going to school. So children, let's move ahead. Today, we are going to learn types of sentence. Children, meaning of any sentence may be different based on many different expressions. These different expressions may be a statement, a question, a command, or any explanation. Based on different meaning and thoughts, sentences are mainly divided into 4 types. These are the 4 types of sentence: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now let's understand each of them. First, declarative sentence. Students, declarative sentence makes a statement. It tells information about anything, and it always ends with a full stop. This type of the sentences are so common that you can find in your daily conversation. For example, a dog is man's best friend. Here, we are telling the information that dog is always the best friend of man. The sandwich is very tasty. Here, we are telling the information about the taste of sandwich. She is a beautiful girl. Here, we are defining a beauty of girl. Students, you can see all these sentences are ends with a full stop. Now let's see the other example of declarative sentence. He is standing outside. Rahul is my friend. Mammals are animals with fur. The United States is made up of 50 states. I like mangoes. I go to play every day. The girl was present today. Children, each of these declarative sentences gives us information or tells us something. And you can see that the first letter of the sentence is capital and ends with the full stop. Now let's see the another type of sentence is interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogate? Interrogate means to ask or to inquire. It asks something and ends with a question mark. For example, is this your house? Is the bell ringing? Now above sentences, you can see that this kind of sentence start with the verbs. Here you can see that the verbs are is, and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. Now Look at the another type of interrogative sentence. Who are you? Where is my book? How are you feeling now? Children, you can see the WH words used in the interrogative sentences. What, when, where, whose, who, how, etc. are the WH words which used for asking question. All these words are used in the beginning to ask something. Like who is used to ask about the person. What is used to ask about object. When is used to ask about time. Where is used to ask about place. So, we can use WH words for asking different type of question. Now let's see the another example of interrogative sentence. How did you find me? Where are my keys? When will you pick me up? How are you feeling now? Which is your book? Is it your pen? Are we going for a party today? So, what do you learn about interrogative sentence? It is used for asking question, and interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. So children, I hope you all understood what we have discussed today. Now, I am going to give you a homework related to declarative and interrogative sentence. Question number 1. Write 2 examples of each type of sentences. Question number 2. Put a full stop or question mark at the end of this group of words. Thank you.